Here's how to create this particle dispersion text effect in Premiere Pro. Go to your project panel and create a black video. Drag that black video onto your timeline to video layer 2. Now select your type tool and type in your text. Go over to properties and make whatever changes you want to the text. Click and drag your text layer to video layer 1. Then overlap it with the black video by about 1 second. Now go over to Effects and find Linear White. Add the Linear White effect to the black video clip. With the black video selected, go over to Effect Controls and click the stopwatch icon for transition completion. Modify the value of feathered to 1500. Now move your timeline slider to where the black video ends and change the value of completion to 100%. To create the particles rather than a normal fade, change the blend mode of our black video to dissolve.